Have you been studying French for years, but when it's time to speak, you freeze? Do you translate every single word in your head before speaking? That is completely normal. The problem isn't you. The problem is your method. Today, I'm going to show you how to acquire French naturally without stressing over grammar rules. So, how does a baby learn their native language? They don't study rules, they listen. This is what we call comprehensible input. To speak French, you first need to flood your brain with French. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos on topics you are passionate about. Don't try to understand every single word, just try to get used to the melody and the rhythm of the language. Your brain will start to recognize patterns on its own, just like when you were a child. Immerse yourself in sounds, not in textbooks. Find content that is just slightly above your current level, so it's challenging but not overwhelming. The goal is to absorb the language in a low-stress environment. But how do you actually move from listening to speaking? Here is the secret: shadowing. Take a short video or an audio clip. Listen to a sentence. Hit pause and repeat it exactly like the native speaker. Don't just say the words, imitate the accent, the emotion, the intonation, and the speed. Don't read the text. Trust your ears. Your mouth needs to build muscle memory for new sounds and connections between words. This is the most powerful exercise to unlock your tongue, improve your pronunciation, and sound more natural. Start with just a few minutes a day, and you'll be amazed at the progress. Last point, and this is the most important one. Kill perfectionism. The fear of making mistakes is your worst enemy. It paralyzes you and prevents you from practicing what you've learned. So, I'm telling you now, make mistakes. It is the only way to learn. If you wait until you speak perfectly to open your mouth, you will never speak. You have to be okay with sounding a little silly at first. Talk to yourself in the shower. Narrate what you're cooking. Talk to your cat, but speak. The more you use the language, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, learning French is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate the small wins, and most importantly, have fun with the process. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.